there, tech fans, Izzy here. You all know tech as the tire and wheel authority, but what you may not know is tech is just one division of a much larger company called Technical Rubber Company, or TRC for short. All of the brands under the TRC umbrella are committed to our 4R vision, which stands for repair, reuse, recycle, and repurpose. The shared goal of our family of brands is to help preserve our planet by extending the useful life of rubber products and keeping end-of-life rubber out of landfills. You can probably already guess how tech fits into this vision. We supply the tire industry with the highest quality tire repair materials and provide the necessary training to properly repair tires. Tech's products and training have kept millions of tires safely in service all over the world, tires that may have been scrapped well ahead of their useful life cycle. Building off our knowledge and expertise in the tire industry, in 2021, TRC launched our newest brand, Advanced Mobility Solutions, or AMS for short. AMS offers autonomous tire monitoring and powerful data analytic tools that fleet owners and managers can use to make smart decisions about their tires. AMS custom tailors each solution using one or a combination of our best-of-breed sensor technologies, including drive-over, internal, and external tire sensors. The data captured helps fleet managers get the maximum safe life out of every tire, reduces annual tire consumption by 10 to 20%, and it keeps tires out of landfills. Next up, Pang Industrial. TRC acquired Pang in 1998 in order to expand our portfolio beyond the tire industry. Pang Industrial offers rubber repair materials, specialty adhesives, and conveyor belt splicing tools, and equipment to the mining, aggregate, and material handling industries. A natural fit with TRC's 4R vision, Pang products allow worn or damaged conveyor belts to be repaired and reused instead of being replaced and sent to dumps. Last but not least is Salvadori Recycling Equipment. Acquired by TRC in 2016, Salvadori helps us get one step closer towards closing the loop that is the circular economy of rubber. From passenger tires all the way up to the largest OTR and mining tires, Salvadori equipment can be custom tailored to downsize, shred, and turn end-of-life tires and conveyor belt materials into crumb rubber. This crumb rubber can then be recycled and repurposed into new, usable goods. We hope you've enjoyed this brief introduction to the TRC family of brands and our 4R vision. To find out more, visit trc4r.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.